Quilting is, an ancient textile art form that involves stitching together layers of fabric to create padded material. These layers typically include a top fabric, batting or wadding in the middle, and a backing fabric. Quilting is both functional and artistic, used for blankets, clothing, and decorative items. The history of quilting dates back thousands of years, with examples found in ancient Egypt, China, and the Middle East. These early quilts were often used for warmth and protection. Over time, quilting evolved into a method of storytelling and cultural expression. In Africa, quilt-like textiles called kente and mudcloth have long served ceremonial and cultural roles. While not quilted in the Western sense, they reflect similar values of color, pattern, and narrative. The Gee's Bend quilters from Alabama, USA, gained worldwide fame for their unique improvisational quilts. Their work is now displayed in major museums. Their style demonstrates that quilting is a legitimate and powerful artistic medium. Quilting is also therapeutic. Many people use it as a way to relieve stress and process emotions. The rhythm of stitching and the satisfaction of completion offer comfort and peace. Memory quilts are made from clothing or textiles belonging to a loved one who has passed away. These quilts preserve emotional connections and create lasting tributes. Every patch tells a piece of the story. T-shirt quilts are popular for preserving favorite shirts from school, sports, concerts, or travel. These quilts turn casual memories into something you can snuggle with. They make great graduation or retirement gifts. Children's quilts often feature fun colors, cartoon characters, or even personalized names. These quilts, become keepsakes that children treasure well into adulthood. They symbolize love and warmth from the person who made them. Quilting festivals and exhibitions actually happen all over the world. These events showcase the talents of quilters and allow them to compete, sell, and inspire others. It's also a place to learn about tools, techniques, and trends. Technology has really revolutionized quilting with digital design software, laser-cut templates, and computerized sewing machines. Online tutorials and quilting apps make it easier than ever, honestly, for beginners to start quilting. Yet many quilters still prefer the tactile, hands-on approach. Sustainability plays a role in modern quilting as well. Upcycling old clothes and using natural fabrics are eco-conscious choices. Quilting can be a powerful practice in waste reduction and responsible fashion. Quilts have also been used in social and political movements. The AIDS Memorial Quilt is one of the most famous examples, commemorating lives lost to HIV and AIDS. Quilts continue to be a voice for change, solidarity, and remembrance. At its core, quilting is about connection between fabrics, people, and generations. It transforms humble scraps into something beautiful, warm, and lasting. Whether created by hand or machine, for art or function, quilting remains a timeless expression of love and creativity.